Good morning. I'm Nalini Mahadevan. I'm an attorney in Clayton, Missouri, and and we have a team of five. Our office is called MLO Law, and all our details are up on the slide back there. Today we're going to be talking about Missouri ABLE accounts and how you can open one and how you can qualify for one. Basically, my background is that we've been about 16 years in the practice of law. I graduated from SLU Law in 2003, and since that time I've been practicing either with a law firm, large law firm, where I headed their immigration and estate planning practice, and now I have my own office. Today I have Usha with me, who's our business development manager, and we're very happy that today we have to be talking about the Missouri ABLE account and how to open one, and as I said, how to qualify for one. Excuse me, I think I blocked that out. So we are going to talk about the 5 things that we that we don't know about ABLE, and these 5 things are, let's count them out. What is an ABLE account? Why do we need an ABLE account? Who is eligible to open an ABLE account? What can the funds in the ABLE account be used for? And what happens to the funds in the ABLE account when the beneficiary passes away? So we open it, we use it, and then we talk to you about what we are going to use it for. We talk about how you can qualify to use it, because everybody can't open one ABLE account. Only certain types of individuals can open an ABLE account. And then finally, what happens to the money if the person if the beneficiary, the person with disability who actually owns the account passes away? What happens to the money in the account? So we're going to talk about the life cycle of an ABLE account. So let's talk about what exactly ABLE stands for. So an ABLE account is, the acronym stands for Achieving a Better Life Experience. So achieving a better life experience, this was started as a federal law, and now there are several states that have implemented this program for persons with disabilities. An ABLE account is by itself is like an investment account. So if you know anything about a 529 account, it's a bit like a 529 account. It's owned by the individual with disabilities. It's got tax-free earnings, and it does not affect SSI or Medicaid benefits within limits. And we'll talk about what those limits are going to be. So it's what we call a tax-advantaged account, and all the contributions, we talk about how you can contribute to it, and how many accounts you can have, and what you can use the money in the accounts for. So let's first talk about opening an ABLE account. So when you want to open an ABLE account, you open it online. And it can be opened either by the parent or the guardian or the legal representative. It can be opened by an attorney. It can also be opened by the beneficiary themselves, the account holder themselves. In Missouri, it's called MOABLE, M-O-A-B-L-E, and the card that goes with it, it's called a stable account card. One of the reasons this law is very good is that before this, if you had benefits, you couldn't have more than $2,000 in your account. So if you had 2,000.01 cents, basically what happened was you lost the SSI and you lost your Medicaid benefits. After this law came into being, you can have more than $2,000 in your account, but it cannot be in your own account. It has to be in an ABLE account. So you could put the extra money in an ABLE account once you opened it, and you didn't lose your healthcare benefits. So that's why this was such a good option for people now. And then you were able to continue to maintain your benefits with the account. So. Like we said, let's talk about how do you open an account. So you open it online. It takes about 20 minutes, and then the next next slide, we'll talk about maintaining an account and what are the investment opportunities, because you don't want your money to just sit there. And then we talk about the state we're going to, of course, focus on today is Missouri, the state of Missouri, and the Mo-Able account here. And so we're going to talk in a bit of generalities about if you're in another state, what kind of accounts you really want to look at, what the items, the considerations that go into opening an